Welcome! In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to create a new Roblox account on your Android device, step by step. If you're ready to join the fun, let's get started. 1. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. If you haven't installed it yet, head to the Google Play Store and download it for free. 2. On the main screen of the app, tap the Sign Up button. This will take you to the registration page where you can start creating your account. 3. Next, enter your birthday. Select your birth date from the calendar and tap Accept to proceed. Remember, this is important as it helps Roblox provide age-appropriate content. 4. Now it's time to choose a username. Pick something unique and fun. Keep in mind, your username can't be changed later, so make sure you're happy with your choice before moving on. 5. After choosing your username, create a password. Be sure to enter a strong password that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. You can tap the eye icon to double-check your password. 6. If you'd like, you can select your gender. This step is optional, so feel free to skip it if you prefer. 7. Once everything looks good, tap the Sign Up button to complete your registration. 8. To manage your account settings, tap the 3 dots button at the bottom right of the screen. Then, go to Settings and select Account Info to view or update your account details. And that's it. You're now ready to start exploring Roblox and enjoy endless fun with millions of games and experiences. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.